Today I'm going to be showing you how to make coffee creamer. Most households drink coffee and many of us buy coffee creamer. But I wonder how much of us know that they already have most, if not all, the ingredients to make their very own. I'm going to be making a spiced flavored creamer, but the flavor options are endless and the ingredients in this recipe can easily be substituted with healthier options. Let's start by adding all our ingredients to the blender. I'm using a combination of full cream milk and whipping cream to give me that classic creamer consistency. Next, I'm adding granulated sugar, which acts as a sweetener. Of course, this can be substituted for honey, agave, stevia, or it could be omitted if you so choose. Next to that, I'm adding in some vanilla essence. Vanilla and dairy are a match made in heaven. Lastly, I'm adding in some grated nutmeg, tonka bean, and cardamom powder. Tonka bean is used a lot in Caribbean drinks and cakes. It adds a hint of nuttiness, cinnamon, and clove among other flavors. It's very pungent, so you want to use this sparingly. Similar to nutmeg, you definitely do not want to use too much of that. And the cardamom helps with the overall aroma while also adding some warmth and fruitiness. So to this, I'm just adding a pinch of each. Remember, you could always add more. But all three are very strong. Right now I'm gonna just cover my blender, and you just wanna blend until all the sugar is dissolved and all your spices have been well incorporated into the milk. Right, so as you can see, everything is well incorporated. Let me just grab a spoon quick. You get that nice thick consistency we commonly associate with store-bought creamer, but it's simple, quick, easy. It probably took less than 5 minutes to make, and as I said, all the ingredients can be substituted to your likeness. If you want something healthier, if you want something sweeter, the options are endless.